Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first half of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Pisces. Okay, so we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, the Death card. Okay, the Nine of Cups, the World. Okay, the Emperor, the Five of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Temperance, the Hierophant, the Eight of Swords, the Two of Wands, the Devil, Justice, okay, Three of Wands. Anyway, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. The Seven of Clubs, guidance from the angels, okay, so Pisces, there is something in your life which you thought was very stable. It was a new beginning of your life in some way, shape, or form. You envisioned it as a long-term commitment, perhaps, or a stable, something stable. You envisioned it as something stable. You thought it was something stable. It was a gift from the universe, but something happened with the Seven of Swords that things have changed. Things have changed majorly. And what I feel here is that the path which you thought was bringing you a commitment, was bringing you a lot of happiness, there's some sort of something was being hidden from you actually. Some information was hidden, or this person was cheating on you, or there was something sneaky going on this person's part, and things ended. So this is the cause of the end, and there is a transition also in the fact that after this ending, what I feel is there is something which new which has come up or is about to come up over here, because immediately after this thing ended you are feeling at least happy. That's what I'm trying to say. At least you are feeling happy. With the Nine of Cups you are feeling, so perhaps you were not very happy with the way things were going around because somebody was not investing in you, somebody perhaps was not committing in you, was not opening up, can be, and that situation has ended. And after the situation has ended you feel more content, more happy, more self-satisfied perhaps. Okay, and here with the World, things have started changing now. Things are changing in your life. So there is definitely endings and beginnings which are bringing you a lot of happiness and contentment. And here with the Emperor, I think that either you are taking back the control of your life over here. regaining the control. Because what I feel here is between the death card, the world card, and the emperor is the wish fulfillment, is happiness. So this in toto is, and here we have the ace of pentacles. The only thing here is something wrong was going on in your life which has ended, and that wrong perhaps was, here we have the five of swords and the nine of swords. It was causing you a lot of anxiety. This person perhaps was not opening up, some sort of cheating was going on, some thing behind the back was going on. Either this person was not committing to you, not opening up, whatever it was going on, it has led to a disruption of this relationship, and it used to cause you a lot of anxiety. Perhaps there has actually been some verbal argument or something which has happened, which has totally disrupted and you've fallen apart. Okay, so this is how things have happened, and it has led to the end of whatever this was, which you thought was a new beginning for you. But here, after this end, you are regaining your control over your life, gaining back the control, and you are entering a new phase of life. At least that is what you want to do. You want to balance your life in a very balanced way. You want the new life of yours, the new phase of life, to be pretty balanced, and that is what you are doing over here. You want to balance your life. Okay, and here we have the Hierophant, the Eight of Swords, the Two of Wands, the Devil, the Justice, and the Three of Wands. There's so many major arcana over here. The Hierophant, the Eight of Swords, the Two of Wands, the Devil, the Justice, and the Three of Wands. So what I feel here is that there was a time when you basically want to sort out your life, balance it, and you are praying and meditating also, because there is something toxic it was causing a lot of toxicity in your life. With the Devil card over here, it's tough for you to come out of this relationship, whatever it was. It's given you a hard time coming out of this relationship, but you have prayed, you've meditated, maybe even taken some sort of counseling, some seek help from someone spiritual or spiritual guru, whosoever. Okay, to come out of this toxicity, whatever it was, with the Devil card over here. And here you are ready to embark on a new journey of your life with the Two of Wands. You're waiting for the right opportunity. You want a new life for yourself, a better life for yourself, a new phase of life for yourself. With the Devil card over here, this is what is controlling you. You've been controlled by this negative energy. It was very tough for you to come out of this situation, even though you knew that things were not happening. Some things were being hidden for you. Either this person was not opening up, was not committing, or was hiding something from you. Okay, you had a hard time putting it to an end and find happiness for yourself and gain back the control of your life. It's been a hard time for you, and you are still struggling perhaps in this situation. But you are, with the Justice card and the Three of Wands, you are trying to balance the situation, and you are taking decisions, major decisions, to walk away from this. That's why you want to turn your back towards the situation. You are taking major decisions, major steps to balance your life. That's what I'm getting. You want to get rid of this toxicity, which has it has already ended. It has already ended. But the thing is, you knew it had ended, but perhaps you were carrying it on, or whatever it was. It's given you a hard time to come out of it. Okay, so you want your life to be balanced, and you have immediately realized the fact that coming out of it has given you happiness, satisfaction, and regain the control of your life. You know that. Okay, but still there is something negative which perhaps keeps on coming again and again, or still you have some tough times when you have to deal with those emotions of coming out of it. Okay, but the thing is, you are trying to turn your back from this situation. Definitely you're taking a decision that you have to come out of this negative situation. And here with the Seven of Clubs, again it is a struggle. It is a struggle between two people. Okay, struggle between your two aspects also. One aspect wants to come out of it, and it's becoming a struggle basically to come out of it. And here number 6 may be of some significance for you. Open your heart, allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you're guided to take, joy will lead you to a vibrant and healthy life. So this is what you need to do. You need to open your open your mind. You need to open your heart. If you know that you have got the wish fulfillment, the moment you end this sneaky moment you block this sneaky person out of your life, you know you can take back your power. You know that you are getting more happiness than you were with this person. Okay, and that is what you have decided to walk away from also. Okay, you just need to have that open heart. There is nothing which should stop you, whatever the anxiety is, or though how hard it is for you to come out of it. You should know that you need to come out of it. Okay, and open your heart to yourself, to the other people who need you or love you. Okay, you don't have to close your heart off to everyone else for one person. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.